And so now we're still in the Neogene period, and this is 1.8 million years ago. And something significant happens because South America collides with North America to form the Isthmus of Panama. And so once these two continents are connecting, it breaks off the global circulation of ocean water, and that's what's going to trigger the ice ages. So remember, it happened with Rodinia. Well, now it's going to happen 1.8 million years ago. And so for the next 1.8 million years, it has a cycle that lasts for like 10 or 20,000 years. So that the Earth is covered up with ice, not as bad as Rodinia, but you can see the extent of the ice sheets in North America and Europe. So for about 20,000 years, everything's covered with ice, and then for about 20,000 years, everything melts away, and it's a dry season in between. And so that's been occurring for the last 1.8 million years. Currently, we are in one of those cycles where the ice is not on top of everything. Well, one thing that's going to happen when you've got all of this ice on the continents, it's going to draw water out of the oceans. So as water is drawn out of the oceans to make the ice on the continents, that means that certain parts of the continental shelves are going to become land bridges. And so today you cannot cross between Asia and North America because the Bering Sea is in between. But during this time period, there was a land bridge. And so there would have been ancient humans that would have crossed across this land bridge, and they eventually become the Native American Indians. So this is 10,000 years ago is when the first humans come into North America, and this would be December the 31st, 1 minute before midnight. And now let's go to the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. All right, so this is going to be something like 250 years ago. So the birth of the Industrial Revolution, so that everything that we consider modern today, so that's going to be cell phones, computers, the printing press, so all of that kind of stuff is only like 1 second on this cosmic calendar. So all of this stuff occurs in the last second of the last minute of the last hour of the last day of our cosmic calendar. Well, let's take a break, and when we come back, we'll talk about the future of the Earth.